this car is the newest addition to my Turo fleet. This is a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta, and I paid $4,000 in cash. I own it outright. So the car is in pretty good condition. It does have a few imperfections here and there, paint scratches, a few small dents, but overall it's a pretty good car. It's great for someone looking for a rental, just to get around town on a daily basis. And maybe someone coming into town, I drop it off at the airport, they pick it up, and they just need to get around. It's great for them. So the first thing I do when I buy a Turo car is a full inspection. I check out everything on the car from all angles and see what all it needs before I post it and have it ready to rent. I expect to be in about 5,000 total. All I really have to do is buy parts because I'm a mechanic. I do all my own work, for now at least. And I'm gonna show you every step of the way until I get it listed. So the first thing you wanna do before you even go and look at the car is to make sure that the car is eligible to be rented out on Turo. So you need to make sure that the mileage is correct. It has to be under 130,000 miles. Make sure the title is clean. Make sure the VIN is clean, has never been stolen, and it doesn't have any open recalls. And the car has to be less than 12 years old in order to be rented out on Turo. And also it has to be mechanically sound, basically safe for renters to rent. All right, so as you can see, this car has a service light on, which is just for an oil change. And also the tire warning sensor light is blinking. So that's telling me that it needs a TPMS sensor. But one thing I know about these cars is they don't have sensors. So what I figured out was that it actually needs a wheel speed sensor, which is what monitors the TPMS. So I'll need to get a wheel speed sensor. I will also need to get a new key made. First, because this key is damaged, it's broken. You can see that the key actually is broken itself, and the key fob is here. So I already ordered the key from Volkswagen. I have an appointment today, actually at 3 p.m. I'm gonna get that repaired. I already ordered my wheel speed sensor, and I'm gonna put that on as soon as it arrives. This car has 123,000 miles, which is less than the 130 that is required by Turo. I will also need to put rear brakes on this car. I checked them out, the pads were pretty low. And I also need a rear brake light, so I'm gonna replace both of them in pairs. I always replace the bulbs in pairs. And lastly, the battery. I replaced this battery already. That's a brand new battery. And I also need to get this switch replaced right here. This is for the side mirrors. That's broken off, so I ordered one of those. And lastly, the roof, like this ceiling, it kind of like hangs down slightly, so I have a guy that can repair that. So I'll contact him and see what he can do with it. All right, so I just pulled up to the Volkswagen dealership. I'm about to get this key made. Brand new key cutting program. All right, so we got our new key made from the dealership. And now all that we need to do is the rear brakes. And also I had a tire light on, but it went off. It gave me a code for the right rear speed sensor, the wheel speed sensor. So I ordered one of those, but the light just went off. So right now I'm not gonna replace it. I'm gonna just let it ride how it is. See if the lights come back on, then I'll go ahead and replace it. But as of right now, it's all right. All the lights have went off on the dash. That's the seatbelt light and the door open light. and the brake hold light. So now I'm gonna replace the rear brakes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and replace these brake light bulbs. All right, just finished replacing this switch. It's the broken one. And I had to remove the entire door panel to do it, so it took about 30 minutes. All right, so now I'm gonna work on getting some of this roof lining fixed. Not too bad, but it has a few spots where it's hanging down. All right, so we just got the roof lining replaced here at the upholstery shop, and it looks great. This cost me about 600 bucks. I think it was worth it for sure. It's the shop. Also, this tire light came back on, so I will be replacing that rear tire sensor, or the rear wheel speed sensor, and then it'll be ready to rent. That's all we have left. So it's been about 2 weeks since the last clip you saw of me at the upholstery shop. I posted the car for rent, and they got a booking the same day. And the guest had it for almost 2 weeks, so